Hi guys, and welcome to this educational video. In this video, I'll be talking about tomorrow's two best stock to observe. So the first stock is Tata Motors and the next is Havels. So I'll be telling you the analysis what you can do tomorrow on this stock. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. Firstly, if you see today, this is how the market has performed. Yes, the market opening was a bit of a gap up section and it just held for at least like 45 minutes in the opening on this higher section, if you guys can see, and from there the market has come down overall, and also it was in a range bounded section on afternoon session. So this is how the market has performed today. So not much of a upper side of movement, only the opening was gap up. So that's the reason why a lot of stocks did open in a gap up section and it is in a green. Okay, so this is how the market performed today. So now let's talk about the stock, what you can observe for tomorrow. And before that, let me show you the trade what I did today for educational purpose. So guys, welcome to educational live trade video for the day. So right now I'm short selling Sun Pharma in the market level now around 1625. Okay, so I just sold now. So let's see how the stock will perform today, and I'm planning to keep the target up to 4 or 5 points. Somewhere around 1621 or 1620, I'll just plan to take my exit. Okay, and yes, the market is up today. So the market has opened in a bullish way today, but not all the stocks are bullish. So that's why I selected Sun Pharma, and Sun Pharma couldn't go up and couldn't get a lot of buyers here. So that's the reason why I've gone short selling. So let's see how the stock will perform, and yes, it can take a somewhere support around 1620 and try to go up as well is what the view is. But anyway, let's see how the stock will perform, and I'll be showing you where I take the exit and everything. And please note, the profit what you do will depend on the capital what you invest. Okay, so as you guys can see here, we are trading without any indicators. So this trade is taken based on my study and the strategy. So I'll just quickly book my 4 to 5 points target, and we'll see how the stock will perform today. So yes, the stock is getting selling pressure here is what my view is. So I'll update you where I take the exit and everything. And also, if you guys wish to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course, you will be getting live market personal support as well. The course prices are very reasonably priced. With my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skills to make you as a profitable trader. You can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to discuss with me to be a consistent profitable trader. Okay. So guys, yes, this is the end of the day chart of Sun Pharma, and as you guys can see here, this stock has made a low of 1618.60 almost, and I have taken my exit by almost booking like nearly 5 points of target, and this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Sun Pharma. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me to be a consistent profitable trader from today. So guys, yes, by being said that, now let's talk about the two stocks for tomorrow's observation. And please note, this video is only for educational purpose. I'm not asking you to invest or trade on these stocks. It's only for observation purpose. The first stock will be Tata Motors. So Tata Motors, as you guys can see here, today it was trying to go up, as you guys can see, and as the market was range bounded, it couldn't perform that much of good side on the buying side. The stock gradually broke this support and came down here. Okay, so for this stock, what you can do is just see the opening price tomorrow and add opening price plus 22 to find out the maximum high what the stock might go for tomorrow, and opening price minus 22 to find out the maximum low what it might touch for tomorrow, opening price plus 11 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 11 to find out the key support level on Tata Motors for tomorrow. And the next stock will be Havels. For Havels, as you guys can see here, this stock, even in opening, it couldn't perform on a higher side. The stock from the morning itself, it came down. It was performing in a bearish side. Even afternoon at the closing time we try to take a little bit of support and consolidate. Okay, so this stock has closed today around 1514.45. For this stock, what you can do is just see the opening price tomorrow and add opening price plus 30 to find out the maximum high what it can perform for tomorrow, and opening price minus 30 to find out the maximum low what it might touch for tomorrow. Opening price plus 15 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 15 to find out the key support level on Havels for tomorrow. Please note this video is only for educational purpose, and tomorrow the trade what I will do might be a different stock. So to get my personal live market support, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen, and to get in touch with me and to discuss with me. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.